Creative styling and easy handling. Conair's Comfort Touch Tourmaline Ceramic Ionic styling system promotes shiny, healthy-looking hair and has a soft surface for a comfy grip. The Conair 1875-watt Ionic ceramic hair dryer features tourmaline ceramic technology which helps prevent heat damage, as well as Ionic technology for smooth, shiny-looking hair and less frizz. High-torque DC motor dries hair fast. 3 heat/2 speed settings for all hair types. No slip grip for comfortable styling. Cool shot locks style in place. 5.5 feet power cord includes diffuser for textured styles and concentrator for smooth styles. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.